gotta highlight that bitch. That was the race of the night.
Yeah,
that was the race of the goddamn night. You gotta highlight that one.
Hey, I'll take this out. Hey, man. Hey, man. Turn his ass up. Oh, my bad. How much, man? Come on, turn your ass up one time. Bet 20. Bet 10.
20?
Yeah.
20?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm betting over here, man. Let me make sure this ain't no setup like fucking time. Red light, no race? All right. Track rules, your ass lose. And then they done got the heat. See, this that shit Funky-Town. Look at Funky-Town up there looking around. Look at Funky-Town trying to analyze. Funky-Town be analyzing, y'all. He got that mouth open looking at every piece of action doing whatever going on.
Cause I'm gonna be on YouTube this year. Nigga don't pay me. I get upset and get mad for real.
Hey man, what's going on, man? Where you at?
Right here.
Oh shit.
Thank you.
Right?
Hey, Diaz. I knock a motherfucker out in the middle.
They told them that they giving them the hit. Hey man, bet man. Bet 20.
Bet 20.
Yeah, bet.
You got 20?
Yeah, both of y'all. I'm gonna pop y'all ass. God damn. Oh, money. Man, they must know something. Okay. Hell yeah, he done did a glue burn out. That's 40. Do I need to keep going? Y'all, he can't fuck with that car, man. Damn, hold on, man. Where you going? Right here? Right here. Man, he want to bet some more, I know, y'all.
What you want?
I want the other side.
Come on, how much?
No, I think...
I got 20.
Damn, I already got him right here. I gotta just capitalize on him.
We good. You want to up it?
I think so, man.
You want to up it? Hey.
Man, yeah, man. 40.
How much?
40.
Son.
So I got 40 with him. Who else I got?
Here it comes.
Oh, shit, this bitch done cut off. Hey, wait. No. Shit. Wait a minute. God damn.
He know he doing it good. He know he doing it.
God damn, that bitch, I almost lost my 40 quick. Damn, who else I bet? 40 and damn, that's why I ain't want to get it mixed all up. I wanted to bet one person. Alright, here we go, y'all. Somebody else, man. Oh, you, yeah, it was. Lookout Racing. And damn, I was scared though. They had me scared. Lookout Racing.
You believe what? You gotta highlight that bitch.
Yeah.
That was the race of the night.
Yeah,
that was the race of the goddamn night. You gotta highlight that one.
Yeah. What happened?
Y'all done lost the swole, y'all stupid.
Yeah.
I'm just a gambler. His ass was too tight. He can't control his feet right. I told y'all. This shit we're
She's
gonna take
saying,
tonight.
so what she's saying is he can't breathe.
Yeah, so you could
Suppress the
get
goddamn
footwork right.
gas.
Footwork was the
Footwork. What kind of footwork you need?
circulation. Be able to press the gas right, not choke up. Waterfall. Yeah, he was intimidated.
So did you bet on this symbol?
I bet Swole and he owed me $20.
That motherfucking Pumbaa.
Oh,
I know you ain't talking hog ass.
yeah. I thought.
He's the
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.